Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione capsules effectively. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant, crucial for detoxification and immune function. To truly benefit, understanding proper intake is key. We'll cover the best forms, timing, and what to pair it with for maximum absorption. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this vital supplement for your well-being. To enhance absorption, timing is crucial. Taking your glutathione capsule on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning, can significantly improve its uptake. Liposomal forms are also excellent, as they protect the glutathione from stomach acids, delivering more to your cells. Additionally, pairing it with vitamin C helps regenerate glutathione, extending its antioxidant power.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. On another note, for those who love to read and learn, just like we're learning about health today, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
When it comes to dosage, a common range is 250 to 1,000 milligrams per day, but always check your product's label. For consistent benefits, consider splitting your daily intake into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout the day. This helps maintain steady glutathione levels. Remember, individual needs vary, so consulting a healthcare professional for tailored advice is always a smart move. To ensure you're getting the most from your glutathione, avoid taking it with large meals, as this can reduce absorption. Also, be mindful of certain medications that might impact your body's glutathione levels. Always stick to the recommended dosage on the label. Exceeding it without professional guidance is not advised, as more isn't always better when it comes to supplements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.